Do you always tap the speaker button every single time you answer a call? Your iPhone can actually do that for you. It's perfect if you use your phone hands-free, work from home, or struggle to hear callers through the earpiece. Here's how to turn it on. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Now tap Touch. Scroll all the way down and tap Call Audio Routing. By default, it's set to automatic. Tap Speaker instead. That's it. From now on, every incoming and outgoing phone call will automatically use your iPhone's loudspeaker. No more reaching for the speaker button every time someone calls. This is especially useful if you're cooking, driving with your phone mounted, working at your desk, or making lots of business calls. But here's something important to know. This setting only changes how your calls are answered. If you're already connected to Bluetooth headphones, a wireless speaker, or CarPlay, your iPhone will usually continue using those devices instead. And don't worry, if you ever want to go back to normal, simply return to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Call Audio Routing, and change it back to automatic. This is one of those hidden accessibility features that can make using your iPhone so much easier every day. Most people never discover it. Now you have. Follow for more hidden iPhone tips that actually make life easier.